Hi, welcome to Ask Les. Today we're going to look at flow profiles of various blow-off products and the importance of flow profiles in, for example, air knives versus flat jets. This is a flat jet. It's small, it's flat, and air comes out. This is an air knife. In our case, the air knife and the flat jet that we have are fairly similar in their design, but they have slightly different flow profiles. If you compare our flat jet to some other flat jets, especially some of these flat wall plastic ones that are on the market, and some similar designs like the plastic ones, the flow profiles will be different again. But flow profiles will affect the performance. We recently had an application in Europe where a customer was utilizing some flat jets from a competitor, and it was used to basically blow on top and bottom of a fairly flat part that had to be dried, and it didn't dry very well. So the option was to try some of our flat jets or an air knife. Well, they opted for the air knife. The nice thing about the air knife is that in this particular case, they had to have a fairly, a length that had to be covered. They would either use multiple flat jets or they'd use one air knife. The nice thing about the air knife versus the flat jet is this. With a flat jet, you would have to put several in a row, either mounted to a pipe or perhaps to a manifold. And as the flow came out, the flow profiles would interfere a little bit with each other, so it wouldn't necessarily give you a totally even profile in blowing all the way across. With the air knife, you get a nice even flow profile. And by mounting the air knife at the bottom and the top of the part that had to be dried, it actually did a much better job than a flat jet could. So if you're dealing with any sort of a drying application, take a look at not only the amount of force you need to blow something off, but also the flow profile of the blow-off item. This is with all types of different nozzles that are there, and again, the flow profile will make an impact on the performance of drying, not just the force, but the way the air flows. If you have any questions on the use of compressed air for blow-off, cooling, drying, or moving, ask Les.